Ever felt the need to make an impression on a woman, even one who seems unimpressible? To evoke interest in her, reignite passion in a relationship, or just bring her a good day? The right words can be your best weapon. In today's video, we're uncovering 3 incredibly impactful phrases that no woman, not even married ones, can resist. These phrases go beyond surface-level compliments. They tap into deep psychological needs and create genuine emotional connections that leave an unforgettable impact. Stay with me until the end, and you'll not only learn these phrases, but also how to deliver them with confidence, authenticity, and impeccable timing. These will maximize their emotional impact and enable you to deepen any relationship. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you never miss our relationship insights. And if you like this topic, drop a 1 in the comments to let us know. Phrase 1. I appreciate how you. This deceptively simple phrase is a game changer because it speaks to one of our most basic needs, that of being valued. The magic, however, lies in the specificity. Instead of a generic gushing such as, "You're amazing," pair "I appreciate" with something unique about her actions, personality, or qualities. For instance, "I appreciate how thoughtful you are with others. I admire the way you handled that tough situation." Why does this resonate so deeply? Because it shows you're paying attention to who she truly is, not just what she looks like or what she does. This kind of recognition fosters emotional intimacy and makes her feel genuinely seen and valued. It's the kind of compliment she'll remember long after your conversation ends. Phrase 2. I feel so lucky to be around you. This phrase is more than saying thank you. It would make her feel much more about who she is and where she stands in your life as a positive influence. It's emotional connection, especially when said with honesty, like a compliment. Saying, "I feel so lucky to be around you," means that her energy, personality, and presence cannot be replaced. It tells her she's not only someone in your life, but a source of inspiration and joy. Conveyed sincerely, this can make her feel especially valued and cherished. Phrase 3. You make everything better. Few words are as emotionally charged as this one. It is saying that with her being there, she makes a difference in your life. Whether she has had a bad day or everything's going good, when she says something to that effect of, "You make my day better," it changes things and creates a long-lasting emotional impact. This sentence takes up the oldest desire in the book to be needed and important. It's not about doing any great deeds. Without phase. ChatGPT said, ChatGPT, how to leave a lasting impression on any woman. The secret to emotional connection. Have you ever wondered how to create a lasting impact on a woman, even one who seems difficult to impress? Whether you're trying to spark interest, reignite the flame in a relationship, or simply make her day, your words have the power to unlock deep emotional connections. In today's video, we're going to unlock the psychology of what makes women feel deeply appreciated and loved. By realizing how to authentically express yourself, you can leave a profound impression that lasts far beyond the moment. Stick around until the very end to learn how to deliver these sentiments with confidence, warmth, and impeccable timing. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights on relationships and connection. If you're enjoying this topic, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know. The secret to genuine connection. Words of substance are more appreciated in women. While compliments such as, "You're beautiful," are sweet, they fail to bring about the emotional movement in one. It's instead enough to note qualities that reveal character, actions, or how she makes you feel as a person. For instance, rather than generic compliments, identify her strengths uniquely. Admire her as being kind. Let her know how resilient she is. Acknowledge the little things she does to help make your life better. When you take the time to notice these deeper qualities, you are not just paying her a compliment. You're letting her know she is appreciated, that you see her for who she is. This is an intimate moment because words cannot be successful in doing it. Why timing matters. The impact of your words depends a lot on when you say them. Timing is everything. Words that have meaning when sincerely said at the right moment, like when she's low or it's time for an intimate conversation, can multiply. If she has much on her mind, is stressed, or is overworked, the beauty of the words may be lost in translation. Instead, listen to her emotions. When the time is right, your words will not only be felt but remembered. How to deliver your words with impact. Delivery equals words. The way you say something can make a simple phrase into a powerful, unforgettable moment. Here's how to enhance your delivery. Maintain eye contact. Show her that you are fully present and sincere. Eye contact creates an emotional connection that amplifies the meaning of the words you're saying. Use supportive body language. Pair your words with a warm smile, a gentle touch, or a reassuring gesture. These small actions add depth to your sentiments. Speak with warmth and confidence. Let your tone reflect genuine emotion. Slow down and allow your words to linger, so she has time to absorb their meaning. By combining thoughtful words with meaningful actions, you're creating an experience that speaks to her heart. The long-term impact. These simple gestures and words, if done sincerely, can leave a deep impact. This speaks to a woman's need to feel valued, appreciated, and significant in your life. The longer she feels seen and cherished, the longer their impressions will stay long after the moment has passed. That is, truly appreciating is not about compliments, but creating memories that build an emotional bond. When she feels appreciated, then she will likely return the favor, and thus a relationship will be filled with warmth, trust, and deeper connection. Final thoughts. If you would like to make a woman unforgettable, it is not a matter of saying the most poetic words, but of being genuine, intentional, and present. Just take some time today to share with someone special how much they mean to you. Just observe how those simple, heartfelt words can brighten up her day and strengthen your bond. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with someone who could use it. Don't forget to comment below with one thing you've learned and how you'll use it in your relationships. And of course, subscribe for more tips on how to build deeper, meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.